Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is that fourth root of 49 plus x plus fourth root of 48 minus x is equal to 345 over 69. So here we have to find the value of x where x belongs to a real number. So can you solve this exponential problem? So for this purpose, let us start our solution. First of all, we have to just suppose that, let us suppose here we have 49 plus x under root. So we have 49 plus x. Let us consider 49 plus x is equal to a to the power 4. And this under this radical sign is 48 minus x. So it is equal to b to the power 4. Now, if we just add these two equations, so we get 49 here 49 plus x, and it is plus 48 minus x, which is equal to, it is right hand side of this equation f4 plus right hand side of this equation is b to the power 4. So here plus x minus x can be cancelled. We have 48 plus 49, which is equal to 97. And if we just write this one to our left hand side, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, it is equal to 97. So suppose that it is our equation number 1. Now we have just given that according to this equation, we have given that 49 plus x, that fourth root of 49 plus x. So substituting these values here, then we get, here we have our this problem will be that given equation will be a to the power 4, a to the power 4 having fourth root of a to the power 4. So it is 48 minus x, which is equal to b to the power 4. So fourth root of b to the power 4, which is equal to this 345 can also be written as 69 times 5, and over here we have 69, so we just write here 69. If we see that this 69 can be cancelled with 69, so we have this 4 can be cancelled out with fourth root of this one, and similarly we have done this one. So we have a plus b is equal to, here we have only 5. So we get a nice equation. Let's say it is our equation number 2. Here we have two equations. First one is this one, that a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 97. And our second equation is a plus b is equal to 5. So if we are going to just stack square of this equation 2 on both hand side, so we get a plus b whole squared is equal to 5 squared. Here expanding this algebraic identity, then we have a plus b whole squared will be a squared, and here we have plus b squared, and plus 2 times a times b is equal to 5 squared will be 25. So now here let consider ab, this ab is equal to t, ab is equal to t. So here we have this step will be a squared plus b squared minus 2 times t is equal to 25. So now our next step will be, here if we just shifting this one to our right hand side, then we get a squared plus b squared is equal to 25 minus 2t. Now taking squared on both hand side, then we get a squared plus b squared whole squared is equal to 25 minus 2t whole squared. Now expanding these two sides using algebraic formulas, so here we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2 times a squared times b squared is equal to, here we have 25 whole squared and plus 2 times t whole squared and minus 2 times 25 times 2t. Now here we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2 times this a squared b squared can be written as a times b whole squared is equal to 25 whole squared is equal to 625 plus 2 squared is 4t squared and minus 25 times 2 is 50, times 2 is 100, so we get 100 times t. Now we see that here we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, and it is a times b. So a times b is equal to t. Now we just put the value of this a times b, which is equal to t, and we have this a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 according to equation 1. If we just review here, so a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 97. Now putting these values here, so it is equal to 97 plus 2 times a times b is actually it is equal to t, so it will be 2t squared is equal to, here we have 625 plus 4 times t squared minus 100t. Now if we just going to write this 4t squared, so here we have 2t squared, so now we are going to shift this one to here. Now 4t squared, and it will be minus 2t squared and minus 100t, so it is plus 625 and plus 97 will be minus 97 is equal to 0. Now our next step will be, here we have that 4t squared minus 2t squared is 2t squared. Here we have minus 100t and plus 625 minus 97 is 625, and here it is minus 97. We get 528, which is equal to 0. So our next step will be, here if we just take 2 is common, then we get t squared minus 50t, and here we have that plus 264, which is equal to 0. So if we divide both hand side by this 2, then here 2 can be cancelled, so we get t squared minus 50t plus 264 is equal to 0. So it is a nice quadratic equation, and it is also factorable. So here we get the product of this one, 264 times 1 is 264. Now we have the sum. Here sum is actually minus 50t, which is minus 50, we just write here. So that factors will be, we have two factors here. If you just multiply 6 and 44, 6 and 44 having the sign with negative sign, so we get 50, 54, 44 plus 6 is 50. So here t squared, this can be split like minus 60 and minus 44t plus 264 is equal to 0. So here we have first pair and it is our second one. In first pair, if we just take t is common, then we get inside bracket that is t minus 6, and minus 44 is common, then we get t minus 6 is equal to 0. So now t minus 6 is common factor. Here we just write t minus 6 times our next factor is t minus 44 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, t minus 6 is equal to 0 and t minus 44 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 6 and here t is equal to plus 44. Here we have two values of t. Now we have to just recall our equation that we have just supposed that a times b is equal to t. A times b is equal to t. So here a times b is equal to, our first value of t is 6 and second value of t is a times b is equal to 44. So now if we are going to just recall our equation 2 here, which is a plus b is equal to 5, it is our equation 2. Now recalling our equation 2 here, so equation 2 implies that a plus b, here we just write a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5. So if we just use ab is equal to 6, so for this one we have to just write this equation that if we have ab is equal to 6, so here value of b will be 6 over a. Now putting here, then we get a plus value of b will be 6 over a which is equal to 5. Now here if we just take as least common multiple, so here we get a times a is a squared plus 6 is equal to 5. So here we have a squared plus 6, here denominator is 1. By cross multiplication we get 5 times a is 5a, so a squared minus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it by using factorization method. So here we have a squared. We are going to just split this minus 5a to minus 3a and minus 2a, and the product of 3 and 2 is 6. So we have plus 6 is equal to 0. Taking a is common, we get a minus 3, and minus 2 is common, we get a minus 3. Here we have our common factor is a minus 3, and next one is a minus 2 is equal to 0. So here a minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, a minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get the value of a, which is 3, and value of a, which is 2. Here we have two values of a. Now we have just put the value of ab, which is equal to 6, in this equation 2. Now if we just put the value of this ab is equal to 44, so if we just write if a times b is equal to 44, so dividing this a on both hand side, we get b is equal to 44 divided by a. Now putting in equation 2, so equation 2 becomes, it is a plus b equal to 5, so a plus b is equal to 5, and here a plus value of b is 44 over a is equal to 5. By least common multiple, we have a times a is a squared plus 44 is equal to 5. By cross multiplication, we get a squared plus 44 is equal to 5a. So here we have a squared minus 5a plus 44 is equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, we have to find first of all the determinant by checking whether the solution is complex or real, and remember that here we just write those value of x which is real. So for this purpose, here value of a is 1, value of b is minus 5, and value of c is 44. So we know that determinant is equal to here b squared minus 4 times a times c. So determinant is equal to b is minus 5 whole squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 44. So we get determinant is equal to 25 minus, here we have 4 times 44, so we get 176. Now determinant will be, here we get 25 minus 176 is minus, we get minus 151, and we see that it is less than 0. So if determinant is less than 0, then in this case we just have complex solution. We just have complex solution. So if we have complex solution, then this is rejected. We have to use the values of x which is real, so it is rejected. Now we have two values of a from first case, that a is equal to 3 and a equal to 2. Now using these two values to find the value of x. So now when a is equal to 3, and here we have second value of a is equal to 2. So just recalling our position here, as we have supposed that 49 plus x is equal to a to the power 4, 48 minus x is equal to b to the power 4. So here we just recall that 49 plus x is equal to a to the power 4. So we have another one, that is 48 minus x is equal to, but here we just use the first one, so 48 minus x is equal to b to the power 4. Now we have to use only this one here, because here we get a. Now value of a is 3 and 2, putting the values of first one is a, so 49 plus x is equal to, here a is 3, so 3 to the power 4, and again using the same equation, that 49 plus x is equal to a to the power 4, so here value of a is 2 to the power 4. Now we have 49 plus x is equal to 3 to the power 4, as we know that it is equal to 81. Here 49 plus x is equal to 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So here x is equal to, shifting this 49 to our right hand side, we get 81 minus 49, and similarly x is equal to this 16 and minus 49. So our first value of x, which is x is equal to 81 minus 49, we get 32. So it is our x1. And similarly we have second value, which is 16 minus 49, which is equal to minus 33. So it is our second value of x. We have just find out two values of x here. Now we are going to just verify these two values of x by using in our problem. So for verification we have to recall our problem. So our problem is 49 plus x, that fourth root of 49 plus x, and plus fourth root of 48 minus x is equal to 345 divided by 69. So here we have two values of x. Now we are going to use x1 is equal to 32 here. So we get that when x is equal to 32, here we have 49 plus 32 square root having fourth root, so plus fourth root of 48 minus 32, and is it equal to 345 can be written as that 69 times 5 over 69. So cancelling 69 with 69, we get here 49 plus 32, which is equal to 81, fourth root of 81, and here we get fourth root of 48 minus 32 is 16. Is it equal to 5? So 81 is actually 3 to the power 4 whole to the power, this fourth root can be written as 1 over 4, plus similarly 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 whole to the power 1 over 4. Is it equal to 5? So cancelling 4 with 4, here we have 3 plus 2, so 3 plus 2 is it equal to 5, and yes, it is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have just proved that the value of x, which is 32, is valid for this problem. Now using x2 here, so putting the value of x2, here we get when x is equal to minus 33. Now putting here, then we get 49, fourth root of 49 plus x, which is minus 33, and plus fourth root of 48 minus time minus is plus, so plus 33. Is it equal to, here we just write 5. Now here 49 minus 33 is equal to 16, so fourth root of 16, and similarly fourth root of 48 plus 33 we get 81. Is it equal to 5? So now 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 over 4, plus 3 to the power 4 is 81 whole to the power 1 over 4. Is it equal to 5? So cancelling 4 with 4 we get 2, plus 4 with 4 we get 3. Is it equal to 5? So yes, it is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5, hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is what we wish to prove actually. So our value of x2, which is minus 33, is also valid. So here our final answer is x having two values. First one is 32 and second one is minus 33. So these are two values of x we have just find out. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. So here we have used different mathematical formulas, mathematical techniques and skills. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Goodbye. Have a nice day.